For this assignment, we're going to be working with Google Docs and Google Draw. So I found a posting on Indeed. I'm going to go and open a blank document, and then I'm going to paste it into the Google document. And then the next thing that we need to do is highlight in yellow how to apply for the job. So right here you would be able to click on this link. So I'm going to come here to the highlighter and choose yellow and go ahead and highlight that. And then the next thing that we do is draw a box around the job title. So the job title is here, the Financial Aid Counselor. We're going to go to Insert and then Drawing, and I'm going to pick a box, and then save and close. It appears here. I'm going to put it behind the text and then move it over. Okay, so that is done. And then the next thing that we'll do is put a circle around the salary, which is down here. We'll go back to Insert, back to Drawing, New, and then this time I'm going to choose a circle. Gonna drag that, shrink it down a little bit. And so yeah, so that's how we do that.